Now we know how to calculate the total costs of for any specific lot size Q. The question is, now what is the best quantity Q so that we can minimize this total costs? In other words, where is this Q that we can reach the bottom of this total cost curve, the purple one? Of course, you can try in different values, but it's better to have a formula. So here's it. So this formula EOQ tells you what is the best quantity that can minimize this total cost curve. So this is calculated as a square root of 2 times the total demand over the year D times the ordering cost per order S divided by the holding cost dollar value per unit per year H. So this will guarantee this Q will minimize the total cost. And once we know the EOQ, the economic order quantity, we can also figure out what is the time in between the order, which is the cycle time. Let's look at the example. Same example that we did, calculating the total costs. So now let's calculate the EOQ. Oh, sorry. Let me type here. So EOQ equal to the square root of 2 times total demand times H divided by, sorry, not H, times S, ordering cost, divided by H, holding costs. So that is, demand is 936, 18 times 52, ordering costs $45 per order, holding costs $15 per unit per year, 25% of 60. Let me write it down so we know. Demand is 52 times 18 equal to 936. S, ordering costs, is $45 per order. Holding costs, H, is 60 times 25% equal to $15 per unit per year. So the EOQ is square root of that. Let me just calculate here. 2 times 936 times 45 divided by 15. 5,616 take square root. It's about 75 units per order. So that will guarantee the lowest total costs. So what is the total annual costs? Ordering costs is 936 divided by 75. How many times you place order? Multiply by 45. So 936 divided by 75 times 45. So 561.6. And then the holding costs is Q divided by 2, 75 divided by 2 times holding cost 15 per unit per year. Is 562.5. Total costs equal to these two add up together. $1,124.1. So that's the minimum total costs. If we look at the diagram, It's right here. So the total cost is a little bit over 1,000, and 75 is pretty much here. So the economic order quantity is 75 units per order, and that will lead to the lowest total cost, 1,124. We also know the time in between order, TBO, or the cycle time, is 75 units over the total demand, 936. So this is 75 over 936. It's 0.08 year, and we can convert that into 52 weeks a year. It's about 6 weeks. So the time in between these orders of 75 units will be a little bit over 4 weeks. So the cycle time is about 4 weeks. Every 4 weeks or so, you place an order of 75 units of bird feeders, and that's the best inventory policy.